Available now at the Titan Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2005 John Deere 9520. This four-wheel drive tractor has 450 horsepower, an 18-speed power shift transmission, and 3,750 pounds of front weight. The rear is outfitted with 4 hydraulic remotes and 5,750 pounds of weight. The wheels are Firestone 800/70 R38s on bar axles with differential lock. The cab features an active air seat and an ISO plug, along with air conditioning, and is GPS navigation ready. For more information on this John Deere 9520, contact our sales team at the Titan Outlet store. To view more equipment videos, check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel.